If you're using a MacBook, this is a game changer for you. There is a new update on macOS that helps you to easily customize your folders. In order to get access to this particular update and be able to customize your folders easily, you navigate your mouse to System Settings and then you check for any current update. The current one that allows you to customize your folders is this macOS Tejo 26.0.1. So this is the new update and you need to have this particular update to be able to customize your folders. Now, someone might be wondering that what is the essence of customizing your folders? It helps you to stay focused and it also makes it easier for you to be able to identify certain folders. You go ahead and you check for updates, and if you see this particular or new update, you make sure that you update your MacBook to be able to use it effectively. Now that my Mac is up to date, let's head over to our folders and customize them. To customize the folder, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. You press Command on your keyboard and then you press the left side of your mouse. If you are not using the mouse, you can also right click directly and then you have this pop-up options like open, remove, download, keep downloaded and all that. But we will navigate our mouse to customize folder. And then over here, you can select the color that you want. So currently, the colors that we have is limited. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and gray. So I want this particular folder to be in purple or blue. Let me go with green, okay? And then I select the green. Then there are some icons here that you can use to your advantage. In case you don't want to use these icons, you go ahead and select the emoji over here. Okay, the emojis here, you can select any of them and then it will be displayed on top of your folder for you. When you are done, you click on the folder again, then you are good to go. Let's do a couple more for you to see. So I select this folder, click on customize folder, and then I can add an icon here, say brain, and change this to orange, or I can use this and then I go back to click on the folder. Now let's do more for this. I have Darley Woolley. I'm going to click on customize. Then I select this time around, I'll go with gray. In case you select a particular color and you don't want that color, you just click on the close sign and then it's going to go back to its original or default format for you. So I'll just go ahead and select gray. Then I select an emoji here. Let me go with this. All right, you see it's showing on my folder. And in case you don't want any of this, you just use the clear to clear any changes that you want. And in case you don't want the color, you just go back to close and you have your default folder type for you.